Soon you will determine the right triangle connection. Okay, so remember any right triangle, when you see right triangle, you're thinking a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. It's connected to the Pythagorean theorem. Lamar's going shopping for a new flat panel television. A television is usually described by the length of the screen's diagonal. So we're using the screen's diagonal. So that's C. Any diagonal is always C in a right triangle. So if you're talking about right triangle, diagonal is always C. So those are key words for Pythagorean theorem. He finds that a great deal on a 42-inch display model. So this TV, a television, is normally described by the length by its screen's diagonal. So they're looking, if you have a TV like this that I'm drawing in, the screen is, this is the screen. When you see like a 42-inch, 62-inch, a 50-inch, or whatever, it is this length right here, the diagonal. I'll do it in black. This length right here is the diagonal, and they're saying this TV is 42 inches, okay, and that describes that TV. So that's news to me, because I always think it's the length, but the length is the diagonal length, 42 inch, makes sense. The screen height is 21 inch, so this is 21 inch. What is the width of the screen? So this is A and this is B. The width is B. The width of the screen is A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. Hey boys, can I borrow your calculator, Leland? I don't have a calculator with square root, and I need a calculator with square root. Okay. Okay, so 20, sorry, wrong one. 21, oh, sorry guys, I accidentally pressed the internet here. Thank you, son. Thanks. Oh, does it work well?
What do you mean does it work well? It's a graphing calculator, of course it works well.
Well, I don't know how.
What do you need to do?
I don't know how to do this. I only need
seconds.
Okay, I got it. Don't talk like I don't know anything. Go away.
Second square root.
You're recorded. Be polite to me.
Whatever.
You're sounding rude. Times 21 equals to 441 plus b squared equals to 42 squared. So 42 squared equals 1,764. Okay, and then you subtract both sides. Minus 41 minus 441. 0. B squared equals to, okay, 1764 minus 440. Go back. 441. Okay, that gets me 1323, and we need to take the square root of that. B squared, we take the square root of 1323. Enter. Okay, square root of b squared is b, and the square root of this is 36 point, round to the nearest tenth. It's 0.37, so when you round it to the nearest tenth, about 36.4, and this is inches. And the question, it's really important you answer the question. What is, you annotate that, what is the width of the screen? Okay, so the width of the screen is, width of the screen is 36, about. The word about needs to be there because we're rounding. about 36.4 inches. Okay? This is the answer I'm looking for. Okay, next page. This is the hard one for most people, the border around the screen. So we know the screen, where B is talking about problem number 1. We know the screen, the border around it. Here's the screen, there's the border. Okay? I'm going to draw the border with blue so you guys can see the difference between the screen and the border. Okay, there's the border of the screen. Okay? Here's the screen. Now the screen we know is 36.4 by 21, and this is 36.4. So we got 21 here, 21 here, and 36.4 here, 36.4 up here. Now the 21 only goes up to here. Only goes up to here. That's 21, right? This little piece length is 21. That little piece is 21. This is from here to here. Okay. From there is 36.4. From there is 36.4. And this, the screen they're adding, this is 21. 21. The screen they're adding is 2 inches. Okay? That is 2 inches. So, that gives you the border of the screen is 2 inches. What are the dimensions? Dimensions are the length, or in this case, the dimension is what we call the width and this number, which this book is called the height. The dimensions is the width. They're asking for the width and height. So, the width and height, the width is, and the height is. Okay? So let's see. Let's look at the width. Here's the width. This is 2 plus the 36.4 plus the 2 here. We're going to add that all up. So we're going to add 2 plus 36.4 plus 2. Okay, so clear. 4, 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 36.4, which is the width is 40.4 inches. Okay. And the height, now here's the height. Okay. Here is the height right here. Add these up. So 2 plus 21 plus 2, which is 25. The height is 25 inches. Okay, how long is the diagonal of the television, including the border? So here's the border included. They want this diagonal right. Oh no! No, it's all out of battery. Shoot. Sorry, you guys. Okay. Shoot. How come? I had the battery too. Okay, I'm sorry it's all out of battery, you guys. I don't know what's wrong. Anyways, I'll post what I have up.